In this presentation, we'll show you why so many laundries and dry cleaners have changed their pants pressing operations with the Sankosha WF740 pants topper and MP850 double legger press. The Sankosha pants topper is easy to use and delivers a perfect press by design. Our unique press design allows the operator to dress the pants in a natural position. Now you can finish pants, slacks, and trousers from the bottom of the pockets to the top of the waist in one fast operation. The WF740 pants topper pleater clamps cover the entire front of the garment. Our adjustable pleater clamps swing nearly 90 degrees from the center position to the sides of the trousers for full coverage of the pleats. On pleatless pants, the clamps swing back out of the operator's way. With this wide range of motion, you can set the pleater exactly where you want it, regardless of the size or style of pants. If you have experience with another topper, you can see the advantage this has over pants finishers using pleat clamps with fixed placement. Another significant difference with the Sankosha pleater clamp is our pressure control system. During the cycle, the clamps are held in place by a pneumatic cylinder system to apply controlled, even pressure. Using the Sankosha pneumatic clamps, you'll have the right pressure all the time, every time, even with the lightest gauge fabrics. We've even added a toggle switch so you can adjust the pressure to the fabric being pressed. The heavy setting is used on most fabrics, but for fine and delicate fabrics and women's wear, the WF740 has a light setting to eliminate the unsightly fold of the inside of the pleat caused by too much clamp pressure. Since all the pressing and drying is done with dry steam and superheated air, there are no hot heads on the WF740, making it remarkably safe to use. The Sankosha WF740 has eliminated one of the biggest problems plaguing most pants toppers: overstretching the waist when dressing the press. Our patented waist expander incrementally adjusts to fit the waist without overstretching. The waist expander is operated by a foot pedal and only moves while it's being depressed, so you can expand the waist as needed. Since pants come in all sizes, the Sankosha topper is designed to accommodate waist sizes from 23 to 47 inches. Customers have told us that the most appreciated innovations on our pants topper are the exclusive Sankosha automatic cuff clamps. When the topper is properly dressed, the legs hang in position so the cuff clamps close on the legs without any manual adjustment by the operator. The cuff clamps are approximately 8 inches long to handle the widest pant leg styles. By closing the cuff clamp, the entire pant leg traps in the steam and dry air to give a superior finish. A combination of steam, forced air, and cuff clamps drives out wrinkles without pulling or stretching or altering the pants' fit or comfort. The WF740 pants topper can handle leg lengths from shorter women's and children's slacks to the longest men's trousers. As you know, some wrinkles can be stubborn and require extra steam. The WF740's manual steam button allows you to apply additional steam for prepping heavily wrinkled and difficult to press fabrics. Getting a perfect finish is a balance of steam, air, and timing. The WF740 gives you adjustable cycle times in seconds for dry cleaned items or minutes for wet washed garments. The airflow can also be adjusted for a perfect quality finish on all types of fabrics. The topper has 2 cycle modes that are set with a flip of a switch. The aqua mode, for machine washed pants, runs approximately 1 minute to completely dry the garments that arrive damp. If necessary, the aqua mode drying cycle can be programmed up to 4 minutes. The dry mode has a shorter cycle of about 15 to 20 seconds, which is sufficient for dry clean garments. While both the dry and the aqua modes have a preset steam release of 5 seconds, the steam release can also be adjusted to suit the garment. The versatility of the WF740's cycle timing features make it an excellent pants finisher for dry cleaners who have converted to wet cleaning. The Sankosha pants topper has automated and simplified the pressing cycle. Thus, the control panel has a minimal number of controls. The prepping functions are operated by a 2-foot pedal system, leaving the hands free to dress the topper. Seeing how easy the WF740 pant stopper is to use explains why it's one of the most popular products in our line. Our demonstration slacks are dry cleaned. The timer is set to the dry setting. The pants are pulled onto the topper. The waist is fastened. Hold the front of the pants slightly lower than the back so the legs hang naturally and drape inside the leg clamps. Press the waist expander foot pedal and hold it until the pants are snugly in place on the topper. Then align the top of the pants with the line on the topper cover. The pleat clamps can now be positioned over the pleats. Tuck the largest or longest pleat in position and set the pleat clamp. By setting the largest pleat first, the smaller ones will naturally fall into place. Begin the cycle with the start button. When the cycle starts, an electric eye reads the bottom cuff of the pants and closes the cuff clamps. The pneumatic controls on the pleat clamps tighten to the preset pressure. The pants first receive a timed burst of steam, followed by a cycle of superheated air. The wrinkles are removed by inflating the fabric, not stretching it, so the garment will not lose its shape or fit. When the cycle is complete, the pleat clamps and the leg clamps automatically release the garment. All the operator needs to do is grasp the pants with one hand at the bottom and the other hand at the top and press the waist expander release foot switch. As the expander closes, the pants can be slipped off of the topper. If you need to stop the operation in the middle of the cycle, simply press the emergency stop button. The steam and air will immediately stop, and the pleat and leg clamps will release. Sankosha's WF740 pant stopper is a great way to handle the tops of pants